Suspended Augusta Commissioner Sammie Sias returns to federal court and suffers two legal setbacks. The session today was for the court to rule on two key pretrial motions ahead of that case going to the jury later this month. News Channel 6's senior reporter George Escala is live in the newsroom with more. George?
Brad, Sias is facing one count each of tampering or destroying evidence and lying to federal investigators stemming from a 2019 investigation. Today, the court heard motions on those two charges that did not go Sias's way. Suspended Commissioner Sammie Sias came to federal court to mount a defense of the charges he is facing, laughing off questions about not going to trial. Commissioner, you got any thoughts this morning? Are you going to plead? On August 8th of 2019, agents raided Sias's home in search of evidence, questioning him on tape for 3 hours. His attorneys making a motion to allow some of those statements he made during the raid to be entered as evidence in trial. But the court ruling the exculpatory statements Sias made to the FBI will not be allowed as evidence. U.S. attorneys making the case that Sias only wanted the statements in to avoid testifying in his own behalf and facing cross-examination. Sias is also accused of destroying documents concerning the use of sales tax money at the Jamestown Community Center. In court, U.S. attorneys saying Sias destroyed computer files labeled with names like SPLOST document. The court ruling against Sias's attorneys who wanted the government to be prevented from introducing that SPLOST evidence at trial, saying Sias has not been charged with any crimes concerning the misuse of stealing SPLOST money from Jamestown. Sias is maintaining his innocence of stealing sales tax money, but the case against him is what he allegedly did after the federal government began investigating. The trial is scheduled to begin July 26 with jury selection and opening arguments scheduled for that day. The U.S. attorneys in court saying they expect their case to last 2 to 2.5 days. Defense lawyers saying theirs will be about the same. Brad?